want to bring this T1 cable down from the seating here. I went into the attic and then I also put a nail through here so I can see where my T1 cable is behind this wall here. You know, so now I can push this back in, this nail back in, and then try to put a compound here and seal this drywall. So that was pretty good. And I'm using my fish tool or fish wire tool, and I also drill a hole here. I noticed the wire is stuck here, didn't go all the way through because I started from down there and drilled a hole here, and then 2 holes, and then 3 holes. I finally found my wire stuck between this hole and this hole. It sits right here, right underneath this hole here, a bunch. I'm trying to, there you go, you see that wire inside the hole? See that? See those wires inside the hole? Let's see if I can bring them closer. See the wire? There you go. I just lost it. You know, so they're inside the hole here. I think there may be a drywall stud or something between this hole and this hole. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to drill another hole here. Hopefully be able to bring this these wires all the way down so I can get my internet better instead of getting the wireless. Okay, so that's the plan. So I'm going to drill 1 hole here. Hopefully bring this thing down all the way to. This is a 3/4 of an inch drill bit. Okay, so I can use this fish wire to get into here and get the wires, except it's too I can't get the wires down, so I'm gonna cut this through and try to get the wire. But I have another option, which is to make another hole here. Let me do that instead. Make another hole here and then hopefully grab all the wires out. So I'm going to be real careful. I don't want to drill onto the wire. That's why I'm turning this drill slow. There we go. There's the wire. You can see the wire. Yeah, hopefully I didn't damage the wire. So you can see the wire over here. 这为什么啦？
就跟你讲没下去，你以为你那个在里面那么多东西，所以你就听我看。
I have 1 hole here, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5, and then 6. But eventually I got this cable wire here. I'm trying to grab it, but there is the wire head. Don't know what happened to the wire. Why is it stuck? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie this end to the fish cable here, and then eventually I'm going to try to poke it down. So that's what I'm trying to do here. There you go. Yeah, I don't know what's... Good. Good, because it's all tangled in there. That's why it's so hard now. As you can see, everything is coming through very nicely, because it's all tangled in there. You know, here we go. That's enough. That's plenty of space. So my goal is to push all this back in, and then through, and hopefully push it down there. That's the goal. So into here and fish out of here, and then I just use the tape to bind this wire to the push it down. And one of the problems I run into is I have a rock right here between the drywall and the wall behind it. So if I can get through that, I'm just going to cut through here and fit the drywall flush with the fish the wire flush with the drywall. That's what I'm going to do. But that's going to go through. And hopefully that's going to do. Bottom will be even easier to go through. There we go. Oh, there's something stuck. There we go. Oh god. There we go. There we go. And that came out nicely. Alright, so like I said, I have a rock right here. There's a rock right here. So I cannot drill that rock through that rock. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut the drywall here, make a groove, and then fit this wire in there, and that's it. So I'm almost done here. You can see that came down. So I'm halfway done. I'm just gonna try to bring this wire to that corner. I'm done with it. Okay. I'm tearing this tape off from the fish wire. There we go. So that I can use my fish wire to go down. I'm gonna use my fish wire to go up to that middle hole and then repeat the same process. Let me see if it's in there now. Don't feel anything. One thing I could do is just drop this in there because the hole looks a lot bigger and easier to drop this thing through. So I think my cable touched the wire already. It's right here. It's probably right here. So I'm gonna poke the wire up a little bit more. Yep, the wire is right here. I can see it, so I'm just gonna use my small plier to try to grab this. Yeah, I can feel the wire right here. There we go. I got the wire. So I'm just gonna pull this down a little bit more. Well, lost it. No, it's still there. Right here. Gonna pull this down a little bit more too. Again. And there I can see until I can see the wire head. It's still here. Good. Still here. Still here. Still here. Maybe gone. I don't feel it no more. I can feel it's still here. Okay, I see the head. It's in there, right here.